Hello everyone, welcome again to Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In this video, we will continue the casting of the reciprocating saw. In the last video, we succeeded to finish half of it by creating faces, adding cylinders, welding wedges, and merging faces. We'll continue in the same manner with the other side. So let's click on edit and let's see how we can continue. So this part of the reciprocating saw is more or less a cylinder, but it's more like squarey, not really round. So what I can use instead of a cylinder, I can use, well, a box. So I will do the same thing, okay? So where I want the box to be somewhere like here. And it will be bigger than that. So something like this. Again, what I can do is delete half of it, but only half. So it will be easier to look at it from this side, from the top side. Delete. Good. And I don't need this and that neither. So I have this right now, which is better than a cylinder. And what I need to do is, again, to put it in place. So what I will use is edit form. I will select all the faces. And now it's time for editing. I will make them smaller and smaller. Point, okay. And what I can do now is to add new faces. Double clicking will select all the faces, and by pressing Alt on the keyboard, I can create some new faces. I will click OK. Let's see what is happening here. First, what I need to do is to put this side and this side on the plane of the entire casting. So I will go again to flatten. I will select this plane and I will select all those vertices. Okay, and those vertices. Perfect. And now to have a better shape, I will add 2 new edges. One here and one there with -0.5. Okay, good. I think I can move these faces a little bit closer to the neck. So I will do something like this. Let's see. Okay, so it's in that way. But the thing is, I don't really know how much I need to go. For this, I will insert a new canvas, which will be the front part. I will click OK. What I need to do, I'll hide a little bit the body. So this is actually the front one. So this will be the back. This will be the side. And this will be the front. Okay, so this is the back, the side, and the front. So I'm going again in measuring this one from a front perspective. And I will go from this point to that point I'll copy measurement and I will go back to my sketch and I will calibrate it from this point to that point. And I will paste. Perfect, but they need to be aligned. So I will use the back one so I can calibrate the front one. Perfect. Okay, and now I have a reference on how much do I need to go. And thing is, here is the front, which is a little bit bigger than this neck. So I'll go just a little bit like this. And I don't know what is happening with those faces. Oops. Something very weird. I will delete them because I don't need them anymore. Good. And now, as I can see, what I modified, move them again. So I will flatten them again. So the plane is this one, and those are the vertices. And I'm going back with all of them to be in place. Good. So now I will add one more face here. So I will have enough faces to weld those two parts. And I will move this one so it fits the other one. Okay, so I'm ready to weld them, but I'll do this in the next video. So I will save. And see you into the next video.